Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Garda. I want to show you how to sign up for our CMU CS Academy class for CS Discovery. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your browser. Then you're going to type in academy.cs.cmu.edu. You will then come to a page like this and scroll down, click the Sign Up Now button, and you're going to select Student. And you're going to put in our registration code, which is LY34-TN49. Okay? You also need to come up with a username here, and then you're going to put in your password and confirm that. And once you do that, you're going to click the Sign Up button. Now, I'm not going to sign up because I already have an account. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click have an account, sign in here. The other thing that you will need to do once you sign up is you'll agree to the CMU terms, which is like an agreement that you agree to that you will use the course, in appropriate ways, and you will do that. So you'll see that after you click sign up. But I'm going to just go in here and sign in as a student so you can see what things will look like when you log in. Whoop. There we go. Okay, so as soon as you get in, you will see that you are in our classroom. You do not have to click join a classroom because you're already in our classroom. When you put in that join code on the first page, you automatically joined our classroom. So if for some reason you didn't get in, you would then click this button and it would take you back to a place where you could enter the classroom code. But you're already in, so once you get in, you're going to see our creating drawings, which is going to be our first unit of study. So once you do that, you're in, and this is the course we're going to be using for the majority of our year. Thanks, everybody.